So guys, leo tumeamua kuja huku swimming pool kuswim. Sijui kuswim but najifundisha. Sasa ndio tunataka kwanza kujifundisha kuswim kiasi. So guys, na usisahau kusubscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Chekiane pale comment section.
Why? Because some people may take advantage. And they come, they are not in any way their idea, but they come in, they use it. Then they use it. And the committee has been given power to write and do the regulation. Number two,
Kuzama.
Relax. And you need to join. You are part of it. We know in the book,
guys, najaribu sijui, najaribu tu, najifundisha. So guys, after kumaliza kuswim hapo unapumzika sasa kidogo, at least ndio jua at least iweze kukuchapa chapa, you know. Yeah, unapumzika kiasi. But kuna baridi but itabidi tu ng'ang'ane. Then kiasi come with me, cameraman. Come.
Yeah.